In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to craft a standout professional resume. This process is designed to help you create a resume that not only showcases your skills, but also aligns perfectly with the job you are applying for. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to open up ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside, it's a good idea to start with a new chat. This ensures that you're working with a fresh session, free from any previous interactions or inputs that might cause confusion. Now, with a new chat open, you're ready to start creating your resume draft. You can ask ChatGPT to help you create a professional resume. Let's say you're a software engineer planning to apply to Google in 2025. You'll want to highlight your skills in languages and technologies like Python, Java, cloud computing, and machine learning. It's important to specify that you're aiming for a modern applicant tracking system, ATS-friendly format, because many recruiters rely on ATS software to screen resumes. Once you've got your draft, it's time to focus on optimizing the content, especially the bullet points under each job entry. You want your resume to be results-driven and tailored for your potential employer. For instance, instead of generic statements like worked on back-end systems for web applications, aim for specifics that demonstrate impact. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite these bullet points to highlight achievements, quantify success where possible, and align with what Google looks for in a candidate. Next up is tailoring this resume to a specific job description. Copy and paste the job description from Google for a software engineer role into ChatGPT. Prompt it to adjust your resume to match the key skills, responsibilities, and keywords noted in the job posting. This tailoring ensures that your resume speaks directly to the employer's needs, making it stand out even more. Now, every great resume needs a compelling professional summary. This is your chance to create a powerful opening that emphasizes your strengths. Focus on qualities like innovation, problem-solving, and experience with large-scale software development, particularly how these skills can benefit a company like Google. ChatGPT can help you draft a strong 3-4 sentence summary that captures these points effectively. Finally, let's give the entire document a thorough polish. Ask ChatGPT to review the resume, focusing on refining the formatting, enhancing clarity, and ensuring conciseness. The ultimate goal here is to keep it ATS-friendly while making sure it stands out in a recruiter's pile. You want it to be easy to read and aesthetically pleasing. And there you have it, a fully optimized professional resume created with the aid of ChatGPT. By following these steps, you're not just writing a resume, you're crafting a personalized marketing tool that reflects your best professional self. Happy job hunting!